Good morning, friends. Long wait for the answer for the million-dollar question. I'm normal after a hectic day, but my wife feels stressed out and doesn't calm down. The answer lies in the basic difference in the biological structure of the brain of man and women. You can say the basic wiring is different. That is the reason why man and women react to the same situation in a different manner. For general understanding, you can imagine that a woman's brain is like a tiny interconnected ball of wires, and a man's brain is like a set of separate boxes not connected at all. Thus, the effect of emotions, thoughts, memories and situations is felt differently by men and women. And the related stress and the thought process also varies. To understand this well, let us take a case study consisting of same kind of daily events for man and women separately and analyze the output. In the case of man, if we take up frustration from boss's harsh reaction, then imagine that it goes into one box. Irritation from traffic jam, that goes into another box. Anger due to argument with wife goes into another box. Fear of corona goes into another box. All emotions generated due to the different situations go into different boxes with no connections. The stress due to each event is felt at relevant individual time. One stress doesn't connect to another stress. Now in the case of women, remember I said the brain is like a ball of interconnected wires. Frustration from boss's harsh reaction connects to frustration from heavy workload, which further connects to the guilt felt when less marks were got in 10th boards, which further links to irritation due to traffic jam, which connects to anxiety due to kids' laziness, which further connects to the anger caused due to a relative's nasty comment made on the bridal saree on her marriage day, which further links to the anger due to the argument with husband, which connects to the irritation due to irregular maid, which connects to anger on China for corona, which further links to fear of corona, which further connects to fear of death, which further connects to insecure feeling for the kid's future, connects to the pain felt when the best friend died in a road accident. All the emotions give rise to some more emotions and thoughts which get interlinked to create more and more stress for the women. The sequence and emotions in this case study are hypothetical. The emotions, thoughts and memories in the case of women can get connected from anywhere to anywhere. And few men who are more sensitive can behave differently with emotions in different cases. Now guys, did you get your answer? That's nice. Do remember, somebody truly said, a happy wife is a happy life. Life is beautiful. Stay happy and stay healthy.